Hi there guys, hope you are doing well. In this video I will show you how you can spice up your sweep picking arpeggios. Most of the advanced metal guitar players like Jason Becker, Angelo Batio, Loomis, Malmsteen are using triads for sweep picking arpeggios and they sound great. Now I will show you diatonic triad arpeggios on a major scale, then we will advance to the 7th arpeggios. The diatonic triad chords of the major scale are C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, and B diminished. And then we can go back to C major again. To put it briefly, to create diatonic chords, we take the scale and stack the thirds within it. So I use the first note, third note, and the fifth note for creating the first chord. And this is like C, E, G. So this is C major. For the second chord, I am using second note, fourth note, and the sixth note, and this is D minor. And if we keep doing the same thing, we get all these diatonic chords of the major scale. Now I'm going to show you the triad arpeggios on root position, starting with the index finger on A string. Now let's move on to the 7th arpeggios. The logic is the same. In triads we use 3 notes, but now we are going to use 4 notes to create 7th arpeggios. For example, I'm going to use first note, third note, fifth note, and the 7th note of the scale. For the second chord, I'm going to have second note, fourth note, sixth note, and the 8th or root. So I will have so the chords are C major 7, D minor 7, E minor 7, F major 7, G dominant 7, A minor 7, B minor 7 flat 5, and we can go back to C major 7 again. Now let's play the 7th arpeggios. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button next to it and turn on all the notifications. If you want to support my channel, you can join my Patreon page where you can find all the tabs in PDF and Guitar Pro format of my lesson videos. If you have any questions, you can write down below. I will try my best to help you guys, and I hope to see you on my upcoming video. Cheers guys. Bye.